We have got a cocktail for you today that's not a sour, it's not a martini, it's somewhere in between. It's tea flavored. It's perfect for this season. It's beautiful in color, it's rich and smooth in flavor, and it's called the winter tea. Welcome to the Drunken Sailor Channel. I am Bill. Let's get pouring. This cocktail is a two-part shake. We're going to put some ingredients in the shaker. We're going to give it a dry shake. Then we're going to add some ice and shake it up again. Our first ingredient in there is going to be, and it's your choice here, either half and half or whole milk. We're going to use 1 ounce. We're going to follow that up with a Earl Grey simple syrup. It's equal parts of sugar and water, and we put a couple of Earl Grey tea bags in there to steep it, to give it that color and that tea flavor. We're going to put in there 1 ounce. Third ingredient going into this cocktail is going to be whipped vodka, and we're only going to use a half of an ounce of that. Our final ingredient going into this cocktail is Empress Gin. It's got a beautiful color to it. It comes from British Columbia. Got some great floral flavors to it. And while I'm not a super big gin fan, this is one that I really do like. We're going to use 2 ounces. The last thing that we're going to put in there is an egg white. And we're going to pour that in there. Put that off to the side. And now we're going to put the top on that. We're going to give this a good dry shake. Now, when you put that egg white in there and you're shaking dry for the first time, you're going to feel a lot of expansion in there. So keep the top of the shaker away from your gas and put a good hold on it and give us a good shake for about 15 seconds. Ready, set, go. I think I'm there. Now, one more step before we get ready. We're going to ice this up to chill it down. We're going to put some ice in that shaker, give it a quick 10-second shake, and that'll get it cold to go. One more shake. Ten-second shake on that. I'm going to grab my chilled coupe and we'll be right there with you. Today we're going to pour this cocktail into a Nick and Nora glass. Now, Nick and Nora is a Prohibition style era martini glass. It's got nice tall walls on it, so while you're having those holiday festivities, you're a little bit less likely to spill. And I think these are beautiful glasses. We're going to strain that. And there we have today's cocktail, the winter tea. It's the color in it just leaves it so that you really don't have to garnish it. Let's give it a taste and see how it goes. You've got some great floral flavors in there, and you've got that rich, rich Earl Grey tea coming in there. Little hints of vanilla that actually come from that whipped vodka. This is a beautiful sipper. It goes beautiful at the dinner table. Cheers, everyone.